In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to autofill your database properties effortlessly. Whether you're managing a project, taking notes, or organizing information, Notion's AI autofill feature can help you work smarter and save time. So let's get started on how you can easily use this tool right from your PC. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Notion. So if you haven't already logged in, just enter your credentials to sign into your Notion account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Notion workspace. From here, navigate to the database page that you want to update. This could be any database you've created, such as a project tracker, a reading list, or anything else you manage in Notion. Once you're looking at your database, you'll need to decide which specific row or item you want to update using AI. Simply click inside that row, or if you prefer, open a particular property that you want to work with. Notion makes it really intuitive to focus in on the exact place where you want the AI to lend a hand. Now look for the small magic wand icon. That's Notion's AI autofill feature. It usually appears next to a database property, such as a text field or summary section. Clicking this icon brings up a powerful tool powered by Notion's AI, designed to help you generate content automatically. When you click on the wand, you'll see several predefined fill types that Notion AI offers. These options typically include choices like summary, keywords, or custom. Summary can be used if you want the AI to create a concise overview of your content. Keywords will pull out the main ideas or key points. If you have a specific need, you can use the custom option to give the AI special instructions. For example, you might want it to create an action item or highlight specific insights. Just select the fill type that best matches your goals, and the AI will process your existing data and fill the selected property accordingly. In just a moment, you'll see the updated content appear right in your database. Using this feature can save you a lot of time, especially when you're dealing with repetitive tasks or lots of similar entries. It's great for generating summaries, pulling out main ideas, or even organizing large volumes of notes. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can harness the power of Notion AI to keep your databases organized and up to date without extra effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check out more tutorials for ways to get the most out of Notion.